Hey there, Tad Hargrave from Marketing for Hippies. So just a few weeks ago, I was in England and Scotland, Ireland, Wales, touring around. I was doing some workshops, and for so many people, it's touching, told me, your work is so refreshing. It's a kind of revelation. It's very, wow, I wish I'd discovered you years ago before I spent $10,000 on these other coaching programs. And at one level, this is wonderful to hear, but it's also depressing as hell. Because at some level, all I'm saying is don't manipulate people. Yeah? At some level, all I'm saying is, hey, we can be good to each other and respectful. We don't have to coerce anyone or control anyone. We can just be kind to other people, and we can market in a way that doesn't force anyone or push anyone, isn't aggressive in those ways. We can do it in a way that feels good, genuinely, to all involved. That's all I'm saying. And this seems like a very basic human thing. So the fact that my work is in any way new and fresh and refreshing to people makes me sad. I'm not happy about that. I mean, I'm happy that I've come across some things that are useful for people, as they were for me. I am happy about that. But I'm not happy that it's so, I'm not happy that that's the case. And maybe you have that in your business too. I don't know. But anyways, I just had to share that. It's depressing. Where are we at as a society that the lack of coercion becomes astonishing? Where the lack of manipulation becomes refreshing? Where the lack of inauthenticity, the lack of hidden agendas becomes novel and rare. Where are we at as a society? I mean, where are we at? Here we are. So I'm glad you're out there. If you have an interest in this like me, I guess there's some sort of a kinship there. And maybe like me, you went through your phase of being incredibly coercive and manipulative and pushy, and you did that too. And it just hurt too much. Hurt you and hurt them, and it hurts the world too much. So I'm grateful to have found some ways that are not just feel better, but work better. Who knew that you don't have to choose between ethics and effectiveness, but you can have both? Not me a long time ago, and maybe not you either, but I'm glad we know today. I'm glad you're out there. Thanks so much for watching. Thanks to everybody who's subscribed and likes these videos, shares them. What a difference. You can find me on Instagram @Marketing for Hippies. Take care, everyone.